thousand pips, by the way. And we are just a low-key VIP people. Yeah, welcome back to this episode, guys. I'm starting a challenge, but not yet, just to break down some chat view for you guys. And why I'm using my phone, not the PC, is that why I'm using my phone and not the PC is that many people say they have only phone, they don't have PC with them. PC, laptop, and tab, so on and so forth. Anyone you have with you. And let's go down to business. So this is the weekly time frame of Nasdaq 100. We have a long trend line, that is higher highs and higher lows. You all know that already, you get what I'm saying? So let's look for a very short opportunity on this pair, and here is our weekly trend. With that being said, money must be made no matter where you find yourself in the forex industry. Follow Uno road, you know. So we go back to the daily time frame to be fast. Here we have a breakout of what? Here we have a breakout of this last low. We have a breakout of this last low from this up here. It's well designed, you can see it. And daily time frame showed up our what? Show us our double top thereabouts. And here is the second last low before we have a long rally to the upside. Let's make our bars little bit. So here we go with the circle. Here is where we have a nice bar. These guys have come again. They are looking for my trouble. Yeah, so let's go down to the 4-hour to break down this pair in a mature way. Here we have a breakdown and a retest on the trend line. Absolutely nice. You get what I'm saying? Absolutely nice, with some pattern, flag pattern around there. You can easily see your 1:3 on this on the 1-hour time frame. You use the weekly. Why I'm going so fast is that I want you guys to do it, to grab and gravitate through what I'm saying. Yeah, so there is the last low we have on 1 hour, and anytime we break a low we have a resistance. This is the last low we have, and now we have a first touch, second touch, third touch, and yeah, the third touch is where you need to pay close attention to. Anytime you have a trend line and there is a third touch on that trend line, pay close attention to it. Is either we have a breakdown and a retest to the downside, to the further downside one, or you have a patient enough for us to do it for the third touch to be able break above here, retest, then go for the upside. Here are the two sides we have on Nasdaq 100 to enter. But from here about here, because of the daily time frame and the downtrend, the tick downtrend that we have, let's draw our weight. Let's be able to bring this down here so you understand what I'm saying perfectly. You don't get lost in the illusion of what? Of being strayed away on your own personal account. Next time I'll be using my PC, but for now let me help those who doesn't have PC to analyze the chart in a proper manner for them to get, you know, so that they won't be eaten up by the market. Absolutely, what's going on? Yeah, so with that being said, we are on the 1 hour. Don't forget, guys, let me move to the 4-hour time frame so we have a proper look on the market. By the way, many people say that sound technical, like the way I analyze my charts. Well, that's cool. God blessings. So you can see this move on this downtrend. You don't have to look for what? You don't have to look for buying opportunity. Not at all. You know what I'm saying? So let's delete this one and let's go for the what? For the sell. For the sales. So I will be adding this guy to my sales in your front right now. But don't forget, I'm already on 2 trades already. Now let's move to US30. So you see I'm already on sales now. So now I'm going on sales on Nasdaq. Stop loss above the latest highs. and let's target, you get what I'm saying, let's target the next bar. But for now, let's go 1:2 thereabout. So to keep your consistent, you need to be looking for 1:2 trades. I will come back and tell you the results of this. So now let's go to US30. I'm already on US30. Give some explanations on that. This is my US30 trade. You can see this trade. I will show you my group, so you can be able to do what, to jump on my group for a better what, you can be able to send me some text messages that you want to jump on my group for a better what, a better snipe entries, because we provide the better snipe entries for you guys to deal with little bit. So you know what I'm saying. And here is why mine was being shown around here. We had this downtrend, nice one, you clone it, pull your, so here is the downtrend. Here we have this nice downtrend, and if you go down to the monthly, weekly time frame, by the way, you see this double top formation. That means we without no doubt we can rally down to this blue bar below here for a proper what, this blue bar below here for a proper analysis, or for a proper setup for a buy, without no doubt for a buy, because we have a first touch, second touch, third touch of the market. You can see this trend line. So with this formation we add on the weekly time frame, best believe you guys have the potential to rally to the downside for what, for a better sell opportunity. So but for me, I'm going for just 1:3, 1:4, 1:5. You can see the way it's smoothly coming down for what, for a proper sell. Look into US30. If you have missed the first entries, best believe go down on your 15 minutes, you will have the more second entries. DM me for what, for a proper entries. If you want to learn how to trade well, is the best for you. But many people just doubt, and they, you know, they stick to whatever they stick to, and they become wherever they become in the forex market space. So with that being said, let me return my chat to the proper way it is. You get what I'm saying? So guys, you guys should move on and learn much more better on forex and whatever it is. So let's go down to BTC also. BTC has been one of my favorites these days, because I've been killing BTC left and right. And let me tell you one mistake I made on BTC. I won't hide anything in my forex journey, because I've spent a long time backtesting my strategy, because I know it works for me. So why will I hide anything from it? No, never will I do that. So here is BTC on the weekly time frame. Also we had a what, we had a uptrend. Let me say we had a very juicy uptrend. I don't know why the forex market always have this what they call, the forex market always have this this kind of pattern of showing different kind of opportunities in the market, depending on how long you have been in the forex industry. We had this pattern for the long rally to the upside, this pattern for the long rally to the upside, a flag pattern. Indeed, it's workout for this what, for this move to the upside. With that being said, after getting to the top, this is what we find out that we are contacting on this. We had the first touch, then we had the second touch on what, on BTC weekly time frame. So we had a breakout of that neckline. I caught the breakout, but that was a week ago. Here is another what, here is another retest on what, on the 4 hour. Let me now tell you the mistake you guys always do, and you know that thing pissed me off anytime I see beginners doing it. Also professional traders always do it. I get stopped out in BTC, but I'm inside BTC again. Why? Because my stop losses, the proper way of trading is that your stop losses should be above, your stop losses should be above the latest high. But look at me, I acted like a beginner trader. I was greedy. I don't want to risk a lot. That is why I get stopped out in this trade before it goes my way. And this is what, this is the 1 hour time frame. We had this long trend, about downtrend. You know, the weekly time frame is telling us for us to sell. So I waited for a long opportunity. I missed all this opportunity at this top here, but I said, don't worry, it's time for me to eat. Anytime I see a proper setup, I will go for my 1:2 or 1:3. Then I'm done with my millions. If I like, I go for trillions. You guys should be careful of what you risk. So with that being said, we had a range. We had a ranging market. We had a ranging market. We had a breakout of the range, popping out with a pin out of the range. It's part of my strategy. If you want to learn, you DM. Then we had a break in back. We had a retest on the level of the range. Then here we go with a very nice sells. I mean, BTC back. It stopped me out, but I also jumping back. I made the money. I lost. So let's go for the last but not the least for today. Gold. I can't go for gold today. The last but not the least opportunity. You can easily take this one. If you see this video, fast take it. Don't waste time. You know, when you're a millionaire, you just have to laugh away. Many people don't believe in you when you start trading forex, but make sure you are careful of who you lend money from to trade, because I see a lot of people lending money from different people to trade. Me, I trade with my clients, trade with my own capital. I also love to trade with ProFarm's accounts. Also, you can see how my charts are well knit. So let's go on the monthly, a well balanced chart. Here we go with what? Here we go with a breakdown of a very big range. If you haven't heard the story of a range before, range will teach you lesson which you won't forget in life except you have experience. So guys, here we go with a very nice trend on a range, which shows the weekly time frame. We had a double top. In a range, we had a double top. This also occurred to Euro USD, but I'm breaking down 4 charts here in your front. Let's go with a range. You get what I'm saying? So guys, we had this long sell to the downside, and this area here has been significant, holding the market for a resistant sell. Guys, for a resistant sell, this market came here. I caught this buy, but I was not really interested because it was so astonishing. Can't really handle the pressure of sell sometimes in the market. If you know what is best for you, you step out once you don't understand what the market is saying. For you to be consistent, you don't have to be on the chart always, but make sure you back test. Try it for yourself, you will see what I'm saying. And here is where we go, where I caught this buy movement. And actually it's just a 1:2 trade, but you know, yeah, for a perfection. But if it doesn't go your way, you make sure you come back later for the best. That's how trading is for you. We had this push to the upside. We had this very long push to the upside. We had a very long push to the upside. Number one, this long push gave us a nice first touch, second touch, third touch. We break out of the third touch. Then here is what we have on that third touch. Absolutely very nice. So we had a resistance around there. You know, whenever we break a support, it turns to a resistance. Whenever we break a resistance, it turns to support. So here we go. We had a very nice support around this area here. We had a very nice support around this area, and we do what? We broke this support out here at this top. This support was being broken to the downside. We tested it for a proper sell. I took this sell, but I've deleted it. You know, when you made your money, you delete it. So after that, here is where we go on the 4-hour time frame. You guys don't complain about the phone settings. I'm teaching those who doesn't have PC, who doesn't have laptop, I mean. So here is where we go with a downtrend. Very nice GC downtrend. We had a breakout of that downtrend. That was nice. Here should be an area that will be giving some confusion, but I don't care about it, because what I'm moving with strategy and with risk management. So I'm expecting this market to give me a third touch of these higher trends. You get what I'm saying? Of these higher trends. This is a first touch up here, second touch. So the third touch will be the bigger one around this area here, and this is a major zone for a Fibonacci from the swing low to the swing high. So I'm buying back to the what, to the swing high. You get what I'm saying? I'm swinging this market to the latest high to make a higher low for us to go for the latest sell to the downside to get a double bottom or hit a break below if the market wants to have a proper and clean chart. Let me delete these guys in a proper manner and what for you guys to know what we have to. So let's go for the gram group. Actually 1000 pips by the way, and we are just a low-key VIP people here, and you know we only accept who is serious. We ask you questions and we accept who are serious, you know what I'm saying, for what, to trade. We don't just accept anybody anyhow in our VIP trades like that. You get what I'm saying? So these are all our trades that we have been taking. Pro firm accounts have been passed. These are all our trades. These are the losses. We share our profits, we share our losses too. So don't panic anytime you get anytime you get in the trading space and you think that, oh, these guys are they not lost in or whatever. No, everybody lost money, but it depends on who is really intact with whatever they do. So here we go. This is for what, YouTube and TikTok and whatever the account may be. So this is the trade I break down for you guys. So you wait for the results. I post the results for you guys to see. If it is losses, I don't care, I post it for you. If it is winning, I don't care, I post it for you. But guys, I ain't no one should DM me for money, please. You guys should really work hard for this shit, because it takes a long time and a long period of time for you to understand forex. So go for the best, you will get the best. Thank you, stay blessed.